Hey guys, so today I've got an interesting unboxing and also a quick review for this product by Nonda. This is called the Zus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. So the Zus is, let's say, the ecosystem of smart car products, and one of them is the health monitor. They also have other accessories such as your tire monitor, your reverse camera, and a couple more. So let's look at what I have. Monitors your engine health. There's a dashboard that displays through your phone, and also there's a safety center. Let's have a look. So it keeps tabs on your current engine health with real-time alerts. Okay, and there'll be a dashboard so you can see how to be more efficient, I guess. What is this safety center? Predicts and analyzes historical engine data for potential issues. Interesting. Your mileage log, okay, should be compatible for cars built from 1996 onwards. Let's open and see what's inside. Oh. This is it, this little thing. That's all it is, and it is extremely light. It feels like there's nothing inside. Let's see what else is in the box. You've got your user manual and the warranty. Really? Are you serious? That's all? Yep, that is all. So it goes to the OBD2 connector. Okay, there's a couple more features that was not mentioned on the outside. So you've got your health monitor, your dashboard, your safety center, find your car, which I think Google Maps does it already, your business miles, your car miles, save your parking spot, which Google Maps does as well, set a parking timer to, okay, that's not applicable here. The only thing to do now is to try this out. Okay, so we're at the car now, and I think I found the port. It should be this one. Ow! Damn it! Okay, so we've got some LED lights going on down there. Let's try connecting to the app. And we're connected. So I made a really, I guess it's not my fault, because I plugged it in, powered the car on, and looked for the device in the Bluetooth settings, which is not the right way to look for this device. So in this device you have to plug it in, start the engine, and then open the app and connect through the app, and we are connected. So let me plug this into the mount and have a better look at how it works. Okay, so now we're on the dashboard and it says connected. My revs, turbo, load, coolant. Not really a car person, so let's see if we can get some real-time feedback. I'm gonna accelerate a bit. Wow, it works. Now you know what doesn't work? My camera focus isn't working. Now it's working. Can you hear me revving? So at the bottom you've got the car finder, the mileage log, and let's look at the safety center. Looks interesting. Scan. Never scanned my car before by myself, but wow, gearbox, circuit, ignition system, fuel. So we just did a quick scan. Thankfully everything is fine, but look at the things they scan. Your fuel, your emission, ignition, computer circuit, gearbox. I'll continue this video in a bit. I'm gonna drive out later for a short while and let's see how the app reacts to the Zus. I'm interested to see if we can actually catch the top speed. I don't think this car is turbo. Let's find out. This Civic is a hybrid, so it'd be interesting if the battery information was included. Okay, so now we're driving and the speedometer on the app and on the dashboard is off by 1 kilometer an hour most of the time. Yeah, it's just slightly off, but the top speed reading is right. I've only gone 28 so far. I'm gonna get on the highway in a bit and let's have a look. Yep, the top speed is updating. The revolutions are... it looks right. Let's... Okay, we're about to enter the highway and we're gonna... I'm gonna push the car a bit more. Okay, 28, 33. Yep, it is just ever so slightly off. Just a bit off, but you can't complain. You get so much more input now from the car than before. I'm really thinking about getting the tire monitors. Not only because it's quite helpful, but I can't stand to see the four corners empty with no data. Okay, I think that's enough of footage. There's not much I can show. So yeah, I'll drive a bit more with this device and give my thoughts again in a couple of days. I've tested this device for a couple of days now, and so far it works. The speedometer is still a bit off by 1-2 kilometers an hour, but so far it works okay.